Emoroto Onana Turu Onos Agofure Oyo Share Otona Oyo Morotona Owanye Belchike Mini Ituweya Ituwe Share Ituni Migele Wanye Betiko Onos Agofure yo nyobu me. Hey, Onos Urhobo. Ijere awa na Urhobo. Oya eje na Urhobo. Ini igwejo Urhobo. Hey, Onos Urhobo. Ijere awa na Urhobo. Oya eje na Urhobo. Ughelli wanye betike Onos Urhobo Agofure Urhobo Honorable Urhobo kelime Urhobo keseme Urhobo kinigele Urhobo kememare Agofure Oyo Share Otona Oyo Morotona Owanye Belchike Mini Ituweya Ituwe Share Ituni Migele Wanye Betiko Onos Urhobo Agofure yo nyobu me. Hey, Onos Urhobo Ijere awa na Urhobo. Oya eje na Urhobo. Ini igwejo Urhobo. Hey, Onos Urhobo. Ijere awa na Urhobo. Oya eje na Urhobo. Ughelli wanye betike Onos Urhobo Agofure Urhobo Honorable Urhobo kelime Urhobo keseme Urhobo kinigele Urhobo kememare. This message is from Team Commander.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce our candidate for Ughelli North Constituency 1.
Yes.
Another very vibrant, intelligent young man. Ladies and gentlemen, the next member
Yes,
is going to represent us in the Constituency 1. Honorable Jimmy Ijeowa.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
It is now my privilege.
Yes.
Welcome to this rostrum.
Oh God.
The man that's going to represent us in the Ughelli Udu Federal Constituency. A very experienced legislator. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Honorable Solomon Queen. The nice senator, the nice Urhobo senator, that has sent senator, Amori. PDP 5 over 5. PDP 5 over 5. Please let me briefly.
Yes.
Let me briefly.
Attention, please. Attention.
Address the people of Ward 6.
Yes, sir.
Like I said earlier on, I thank you for this great gathering. I am sure you all gathered here today because all of us are tired of the maladministration of the APC-led federal government. I am sure we are all gathered here today because we are tired of the mismanagement of the Nigeria economy by the APC-led federal government.
Yes.
I am sure that we are all gathered here today because we are tired of the kidnapping that the APC-led government has set out in Nigeria.
Yes.
I want to believe that we are all gathered here today because we are tired by the killings, the everyday killing we now experience in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
I want to believe that we are all gathered here today because the APC-led federal government has turned $1 into 1,000 naira.
Not be small.
I want to believe that we are all tired. We are all here today because we are tired of the high prices of foodstuff in our market.
Yes.
Brought upon us by the APC-led federal government.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I want to assure you, let me assure the people of this world that we must bear. We must bear. Because I can promise you that the People's Democratic Party is in a rescue mission.
Yes,
a mission to rescue and reset Nigeria.
Mission to finish.
A mission to come back and bring progress to Nigeria.
Yes.
A mission to bring development back to Nigeria.
Yes.
A mission to bring the price of rice back to 8,000 naira. We will not fail in that mission at all. We will not fail in that mission at all because Nigerians are tired of APC.
Yes.
APC must be driven away from Aso Rock.
Now.
In doing this, by the grace of God, come May 29th next year,
Yes.
Nigerians will elect a president of PDP extraction.
Oh, yes.
And that president is the person of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Was 6 people. Let me also inform you why Deltans are very much interested in the Atiku ticket. We are very much interested as Deltans because for the first time in the history of Nigeria, a Deltan in the person of Senator Okowa will become the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Oh, yes.
I have told people that cares to listen that if Tinubu can come and tell us that a below come, it is his turn. We want to tell him that it is his turn of their chance to us come. Nigeria, today, the economy of Nigeria is sick.
Sorrow.
The security of Nigeria is sick.
Sorrow.
And APC is telling us that they want to elect a sick man.
Sorrow for
to
sorrow.
Come and manage a sick country.
It not go work.
Far. We need an healthy, a capable president to come and cure the sickness and that put Nigeria.
Yes.
Now, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Let me formally present to you our candidates for the various offices come next year. Let me start with the candidate for Ughelli State Constituency 2. Give it up for for the red chambers of the National Assembly.
Yes.
Let me introduce to you
Any.
a leader for excellence, a promoter of the gentlemen. Give it up for Senator Igor Yota.
Mobility.
Thank you. PDP.
You want to kill APC?
I will kill them now. I must drag them come to Aso Rock. Their wickedness too much. The punishment, they don't punish Nigerians too much. Nigerians don't fit go market again. We God's grant and commit to rock in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you very much. Our leaders, you want 2 seats. Let me especially recognize the Right Honorable Festus Oviagas, my dear leader, recognize you, and other leaders, stakeholders in Ughelli North. I'm happy coming here today. The level of mobilization of our people, both the old men, the old women.
I know that we never.
Now your tactics.
International.
Yeah, everywhere.
I told you about why you wanna. I am not back. We both buy our jet. I am not back. Me go with it. Me go.
Everywhere.
Big DJ. Blood. Agreed. Enjoy your mistake, warrior. Commander. Go.
Handsome and intelligent young man.
People.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
give it up for Honorable Onos Agofure. Ughelli North Constituency 1. The very repressible, Honorable Jimmy Odioma. But I said to him that if it is his turn to go to Aso Rock, it is also the turn of Delta. It's the turn of Delta to go to Aso Rock. Because Delta, Aso Rock belongs to all Nigerians. Delta State has the right to have free pass to Aso Rock. If you say Milo come to him, say Milo come to Delta. So once in the whole thing, the man and the shake, and the shake, he say want to go Aso Rock. Milo come, Milo come. Baba we know where, we dey shine Milo come. Like you say, like you say. Baba we know where, we dey shine Milo come. And Milo come, and Milo come. Baba we know where, we dey shine Milo come. Like you say, like you say. Baba we know where, we dey shine Milo come. Now, ladies and gentlemen,
Yes, sir.
let me tell you, my good people of 11, come 2023, May 29,
Yes.
Delta will have a brand new governor.
Who dey Zuzu? Who dey Zuzu? Who dey Zuzu?
I have come here to announce the next governor of Delta State,
When I went to Ughelli, Marie was talking. That oh God, you enjoy it. Me voyez that homogène yo mata obi oni me me voyez oni obi oborori voyez. And now I'm here seeing the mobilization with the dance group. I meet all of you. But here now, after taking permission from my people,
Olorogu, latest Olorogu in town. Olorogu Boge. My blood. Yes, yeah, everywhere Balash. Balash everywhere, Balash Kings. Yes, yeah, convoy long. They don't say they go put us. And if I go put my link on this. I don't know see people don't rush here. Now I see that side.
And by the grace of God, I am the president of Christian Movement of Ughelli.
Only one Dr.Flezzy.
And I am also the president of Edo Community Forum Delta State Chapter.
We are here for Onos.
After cross-examining that one of my in-law,
I get a long shit.
the president of Honorable Agofure.
Thank you.
When you ask of assembly, I said to myself, how will I be running a different race where I already have somebody who we can run together?
Commander!
So I am here today. Though we didn't really plan like this for this movement, you would have seen all CMTG family. But the few of them that are here are with me right here. But we are PDP family. I know they will not disappoint us. CMGG. PDP.
5/5.
PDP.
5/5.
PDP.
5/5.
Thank you and God bless you.
Yes.
Just wait. My Lord Bishop, when your followers can be there. Now, Your Excellency, let me bring to the podium. But before I bring you, can we clear here? That place is a little bit too crowded. No. They should be here, so that for the press. Let me invite the irrepressible chairman of our party.
Yes.
The one and only Ologo Kingsley Esiso, the old West of the universe. Please put your hands together for him as he's coming up.
Today, you and your followers have decided to leave darkness and to come to light. PDP, there's no joiner, there's no newcomer. And from today, you are a bona fide member of the party. And whatever every member of the party is entitled to, you are entitled to it. But you have promised us one thing. You promised us one thing. That from this very moment, you have collapsed the party structure, account structure in this constituency into PDP. Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Imini yo, Oji, Tinto boy. Even the blood that runs in me is sherified. My blood. Sherified blood. It's buried. I don't want to do an election. Once or you everybody in. Sheriff, take the state.
Delta State sherified.
Federal. Hey, very good.
Delta State.
Yeah, that's it to sheriff. Mingo.
Na Nasarawa, I love where she love you. I mean, she come from Nasarawa State. Let me give her a seat to
Yes, yeah.
Wado, niye robe ado de ine.